Situated in corner position on a handy 373 square metres of land with the Mosman Park Shopping Centre almost as your neighbour, I'm about to show you through a property that has the best of both worlds. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian and welcoming you to 64 Glyde Street, Mosman Park. Part 1 is this classical 1925s character gem. High ceilings, wide hallways and 2 large bedrooms, both containing split air conditioners, is what greets you at the front of the home. Moving to the heart of the home, you have a separate living area to the right and a 3rd bedroom to the left, both containing split air conditioners, and then of course a renovated open plan kitchen that overlooks the patio and grass area, which is also connected to a renovated bathroom. Moving out the back here to the patio area, which is fantastic for entertaining as it's fully enclosed. It's connected to a decent sized backyard which doesn't require a lot of maintenance and upkeep, perfect if you have a busy lifestyle. Part 2 is this 2015 modern 2-bedroom studio that lends itself as such a game changer if you have teenagers needing space, relatives that love to visit, or even potentially an Airbnb investment, as it has its own entry and garage coming off the laneway. Finally, other close amenities such as Iona High School 480 metres away, St Hilda's High School 500 metres away, and the train and bus station 480 metres away, plus who could forget the iconic West Australian coastline just a 1 kilometre stroll. I look forward to showing you through shortly.